wanted to show you a little something. We started on the steps, kinda. So what I did is I put in the foam board, which is a 1/2 inch. And when I did the floor and the insulation, I put a piece here that's a 1/2 inch past the actual wall. So this would fit in there snug. Now, this is something that I made a mistake on. And I want to show you so it might help you if you're building a door, your custom door yourself. So when I put the door on, you know, we built this frame and everything down here. So not thinking that water would run down and hit this and go under the foam board. So you see I had it glued down, but water got up under there as soon as it rained. So what I need to do, or what I started to do, is I put a flashing on the bottom of the door, so that stopped a lot of it, but I'm still getting some on the corners. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the foam board down when I know it's not going to rain. Put the foam board down and put the wood floor on top of that. And then I'm going to build the edge that comes over and down. And then all this will be sealed up to here. So all that'll be sealed up with the floor. So any water hits it, it's going to go straight down. Bam. So that's where I'm at on the steps. So I was going to start building the actual boxes because I'm going to have storage under each step. And I got 2 steps to go in there. So I didn't want to put that in until I get the actual wood floor down because my measurements will be off. They're probably going to be off anyway. So I better wait to put the floor in to be off just a little bit instead of a lot. And so that's where we're at. So I got me a little portable stool there so I can jump in and out for right now. But I'm working on the steps and those windows, you know what I mean? Okay, what we're doing now is we are working on the window frames. So I got to put all window frames on, and then we're going to cover up the whole window after the frames are on. So when we spray foam, it won't get on the windows or the frame. And it'll save us a lot of trimming with the spray foam because it's going to foam up real big. So I'm going to do the frames on all the windows. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 windows to do. So we're going to do all 8 windows plus these 2 in the back. So I got to build the frame here. It's going to stick out a little bit like a shelf. I think we might have a shelf in here or a cubby hole because our bed would be like right here. So that's what I'm working on now. I'm gonna get all the windows done and keeping it moving, baby. You know, around your RV windows, that curve on the edge, like the sides of the windows have that funny curve. Real weird. So when you put your window frame all the way around it, you have that space in between. You know what I mean? So I made a template of that curve in the window, right? So what I'm doing is I am cutting pieces of wood to fill that spot, right? So let me see, found a piece of wood here. So let's say this is the frame. So when I put the wood against that, it will take that spot out of the window. So I'm cutting 25 of these, 26, somewhere in there. So I'm gonna put these in that slot, and then I'll put my frame all the way around the window. So it'll be like, won't have that funny looking spot in there. I see it on a lot of people's buses, and it's a weird thing to fix or to cover. So that's how I'm doing it. Might be wrong, but hey, it's what we got. Let's see what we got. All right. Talking about. Yep. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. This V right here. So if we had the trim going up against it, going both ways, you got that gap right here. So this is going to take up that space. See what I'm saying? Hold on, let me get another piece so I can show you right. Okay, let's see. So this would be like that. Sort of. Hold on. So this would, oh boy. This would be like that. And this side would come in like that. See, it would take up that gap right here. And then all this, I don't know if we're gonna paint it or if it'll be all wood, but I got some nice wood to trim out the inside of the windowsill. So then we'll have a nice windowsill that comes out real fancy like the house. So that's what we're doing with these. I'm gonna start putting these in. I'll let you know after that.